To turn the document camera on, press and hold the power button until the red glow changes to a blue glow. To display the document camera on the projector, touch the DocCam button on the control panel. It may take a moment for the document camera display to show up on the projector screen. The PC monitor will show you what is being displayed on the projector screen. This allows you to make adjustments to whatever you are displaying with the document camera. In this example, you can see that the text is difficult to read. Using the brightness buttons on the document camera can help make the text more readable. You can also use the zoom function on the document camera to zoom in and out. When writing on a document, it's recommended that you have a high contrast between the document and the writing on it. For example, if the pen you are writing with has very light ink, it will be very difficult for students to read. Instead, use a darker ink to make sure it can be clearly read. When you are done with the document camera, press and hold the power button down again until the light changes to red. You may also want to change the projector display to a different device, such as a PC, as a courtesy to other faculty who will use the classroom after you.